Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to give you that flawless, natural tan without the sun damage. We're taking a closer look at the Tanning Lotion Self-Tanner Kit, which is made in the USA and boasts organic and natural ingredients. This kit is designed for both women and men, offering a non-toxic, gradual tan. Let's explore what this kit has to offer. The Tanning Lotion Self-Tanner Kit includes everything you need for a smooth tanning experience. Inside, you'll find a self-tanner lotion available in 2 shades to cater to different skin tones, an applicator mitt for your body, and gloves specifically designed for face application. The formula is designed to be hydrating and is made from clean ingredients that aim to deliver fast, long-lasting results, developing in just 4 to 6 hours. This kit also features a range of tanning products, including face tan lotion and a spray tan, alongside professional-grade application tools like an exfoliating mitt and both front and back self-tanner applicators. In my experience using this tanning kit, I found the setup straightforward. Applying the self-tanner was a breeze, especially with the included mitts and gloves. I tested it under various conditions, including a typical evening routine and a busy morning before heading out. The results were quite impressive. A streak-free, natural-looking tan that didn't lean towards the dreaded orange hues. However, I did notice that while the tan developed nicely, the scent during application was somewhat stronger than I expected, which might be a consideration for sensitive users. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the kit's main strengths lie in its ease of use, professional application tools, and the quality of the tan achieved. The natural ingredients are a big plus, especially for those looking to avoid harsh chemicals. However, the scent during application could be off-putting for some, and the gradual tan might not satisfy those looking for immediate results. When it comes to value for money, this self-tanner kit offers a reasonable balance. The price aligns with similar products on the market, especially considering the quality of the ingredients and the inclusion of all the necessary tools. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are other self-tanners that may provide a quicker application process, albeit with less emphasis on natural ingredients. Comparing this kit to others available, it stands out for its commitment to clean, hydrating formulas and comprehensive application tools. While some competitors may offer faster results, they often come with synthetic ingredients that could cause skin irritation. This kit excels in ensuring a safe tanning experience, though it might not be the fastest option out there. As for build quality, the materials used in the kit feel durable and well-made, particularly the applicator tools. There haven't been any long-term reliability issues reported, which is a good sign for those looking to invest in a self-tanning routine. While I didn't have direct interactions with customer service, the brand has a solid reputation for responsiveness and helpfulness, which is reassuring if you ever need assistance. In summary, the Tanning Lotion Self-Tanner Kit delivers a natural-looking tan with an easy application process and a focus on organic ingredients. While the scent and the gradual development time may not suit everyone, it fulfills its claims effectively for those who prioritize clean beauty products. If you're on the hunt for a sunless tanning solution that cares for your skin, this kit is worth considering. If this review has been useful to you, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that others looking for the perfect tan can also find this video. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this tanning kit, check out the link in the comments box. I'd love to hear your thoughts, especially if you've tried it. Until next time, keep glowing with Beautyistic.